Yes.
Hi everyone, hello friends, welcome back to G.
Hello.
Hello everyone. Okay, so good evening first of all to everyone and pranam to everyone watching this video. And now the time is to introduce to my entire family and to Mr. G.D. Jain, my maternal grandpa. And so yes, and as you can see, there are my family members here. So first let me introduce myself. Okay, so I am Komal V, and I'm 10 years old. I'm the daughter of Vinay Sancheti and Kavita Sancheti. I live in Bangalore, and now I'm at Chennai because we are enjoying our summer vacation with my maternal grandpa and maternal grandma. And now my maternal grandpa's name is Gautam D. Jain, and my maternal grandma name is Indra Kumari G. Jain. So first let's introduce to my cousin sister Himanshi. Hi Himanshi.
Hi,
What is your name? Full name.
Himanshi Ajay. I'm from Chennai. My age is 9 years old and I study in DAV.
Okay.
My father's name is Abhay G. Jain and mother's Sheetal A. Jain.
Okay. So where do you live?
I live in Chennai.
Okay. Who is your grandpa and grandma?
My grandpa is Gautam Jain and grandmother's name is Indira Kumari.
Okay, so thank you, Manchi. Now let us meet our my brother Karan B. Sancheti. Hi, Karan.
Hi.
So what is your name? Okay, so guys, sorry, he has some health issues. So let us move on. Hi, Sonu.
Hi.
She's my younger sister, Sonakshi B. Hi, Sonu. Her pet name is Sonu. Okay, so what is your full name?
My full name is Sonakshi Sancheti.
Okay, so how many years are you?
I am 8 years.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Bangalore.
Okay, so who are your mother and father?
My father's name is Vinay Kumar. My mother's name is Kavita Sancheti.
Okay, thank you, Sonu. Hi, Priyansh.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
So this is my cousin brother who is very naughty, Priyansh Abhay G. J. Hi, Priyansh.
Hi.
Okay, so please introduce yourself.
Yes.
What is your name?
Priyank.
Okay. Who is your mother and father name?
My mother name is Thital Abaitan and my father name is
Abhay.
Abaitan.
Okay, why are you laughing? Why are you making these funny faces?
I'm laughing.
Okay. So, what is your school's name?
Devi.
Okay, DAD.
Sorry.
Okay. Who is your sister?
Himanti.
Himanshi.
What game you play?
What game you play?
Car.
Car racing.
You don't have Free Fire?
No.
I saw you playing Free Fire. Very naughty. Telling lies.
You have cycle with you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you do cycling?
Yeah. No.
Why?
Nowadays you don't
Why?
do? Because
Because coronavirus is
they're outside, eh?
there outside.
So you don't go outside for cycling.
No.
Okay, good.
Oh.
And you wear mask?
No.
You don't wear mask?
No.
Then coronavirus will affect you.
I have mask.
You have mask, but you don't wear.
No.
At home you don't wear. When you go outside,
Yes, yet.
okay.
Okay, so guys, this
And
is my
this
brother.
guy is drinking ORS. Why?
Okay, right. Why?
Have
Little fear
No,
Fever.
Not fever.
or fever?
Okay, so he has some loose motion, fever, because he had paneer tikka last time.
Okay. So paneer
Okay.
tikka should be taken outside.
No, you can't eat outside.
Now
food
my
now.
question to you, Komal,
Yes.
if coronavirus is there, spread everywhere, do you think taking outside food is good for health?
No.
Why?
Why? Because now we don't know how they make the food, and if they sanitize their hands and make, if they have put in their hands to their nose, there and they're making that food, that can be dangerous. So eat home food and be safe and stay safe at home. So yes. So now I want to introduce our special chief guest of today's evening, Mr. G. Jain. So I want to introduce yourself. Please hang out the camera to me. Okay. So this is my Nana, Mr. G. Jain. Mike.
Yes. Before
Okay.
you could take my interview, let me give you certain important information that now presently second wave of COVID is going on throughout the world and India is suffering more because it is airborne and we are supposed to be very careful at home. Even at home we have to maintain social distancing. While sleeping in the evening we should all sleep little apart, at least 2 feet far. Our bed should be 2 feet far so that we are safe, and air condition should be avoided so that in the duct of air condition also this virus exists. So today my daughter's daughter Komal wanted to have my interview. She wanted to know about me and my family. I am allowing her to take my interview. So I am handing over the present mic to her to take my interview. And whatever questions she has got, Himanshi has got, one by one they can ask. When somebody is talking, you just listen and later you should question me. If you have any question, you can show your finger. So the next chance will be given to you.
Okay.
So here is Komal.
Okay, so hello. First of all, hi Nana, and I'm glad that you're safe at home. So yes, I have some questions about your life. So I want to know your backstory. How did you make your in your generation? Did you have the type of corona which is going outside? So I want to know that your life story. How did you? How
Okay,
did
you want to know my early life?
Yes.
So here is the first question what you asked was that whether we had corona in our youngest age.
Yes.
No, there was no pandemic like corona existing when we were young.
Why?
Because the pollution level was less, industrialization was less, and we were all, playing outside also, and we were also, very healthy because our physical working was more. But nowadays, after introduction of computer and smartphones, I find children always engaged with games, playing in this smartphone. They don't have outside activities. They stay at home and whole day they keep on watching TV and online classes. So you can see now Priyank how small his eyes are because every day he plays a game on television and he does not leave it. So see, he is not having any physical activities. He should do physical activities to be healthy.
Always he stays in the mobile only. Always
Yes.
playing
So
games.
I would
Yes,
advise
and-
Priyank, I will advise you not to see the smartphone whole day. You play for 1 hour or 2 hours and later you should do cycling, you should play badminton, you should play table tennis, okay? Here is Mr. Priyank. Priyank, तुम रोज साइकिल चलाता है?
No.
क्यों नहीं चलाता है?
क्योंकि मुझे लगी हुई है यहाँ पर माता में और कोरोना वायरस बाहर घूम रहा है तो
इसके लिए
आप नहीं चला रहे हो तो आपके पास घर के बाहर जगह नहीं है तो फिर आप क्यों नहीं चलाते?
क्योंकि मुझे तरह मैं यूटर्न मेरी बड़ी जगह में मुझे यूटर्न लेना तो मेरे को नीचे खेलने का था ऐसे तो लगता है
अच्छा, और ये कौन है?
हिमांशी या
हिमांशी।
हाँ
अच्छा हिमांशी, तुम क्या करती हो पूरे दिन?
मेरा तो यूजुअली ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में ही 3 आवर मतलब शाम के 3 बजे तक चले जाता है। फिर 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock मैं सोती हूँ। फिर 5 to 6 मैं पढ़ने होती हूँ और 6 to 7 मैं खेलने जाती हूँ और 7 to 7:30 मैं डिनर करती हूँ और 9 o'clock मैं सो जाती हूँ।
अपनी पढ़ाई जब करती हो तो तुम अपने जीवन में क्या बनना चाहती हो और तुम्हारा एम क्या है? तुम क्यों पढ़ती हो और तुम्हें कौन से सब्जेक्ट अच्छे लगते हैं जिससे तुम पढ़ाई करके आगे बढ़ना चाहती हो?
मेरे को तो एक्चुअली सब सब्जेक्ट्स अच्छे लगते हैं बट द मोस्ट सब्जेक्ट आई लाइक इज EV द साइंस एंड मैथ्स बिकॉज आई लाइक इट वेरी मच एंड माई ड्रीम इज टू बिकम फैशन डिज़ाइनर।
अच्छा, फैशन डिज़ाइनर बनना चाहती है। और आपकी जो बहन है, बड़ी बहन जीजी, जिसका नाम कोमल है, वो क्या बनना चाहती है?
Actually, I don't know because she does not share it with me. But मेरे को यूजुअली थोड़ा पता है वो क्या करती है। जब भी हम लोग कुछ गेम खेलते हैं तो वो उसका ड्रीम यही रहता है मैं CA बनती हूँ, CA करती रहती है। तो
अच्छा, CA, वो कॉस्ट अकाउंट चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट बनना चाहती है। तो नो प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पर।
No, I don't want to become that. Okay, I'll just say I have lots of confusion in my mind. I like teaching. I like to play CID police type things. Okay, and journalist, news reporter, and patrakar.
पत्रकारिता you want?
Yes, I want to become, and I want to become a teacher. I have lots of dreams, and I want to become a health service. I want to own my own school, and those don't have school, poor peoples, I want to teach them. I have lots of dreams going on.
So now your brother who is not feeling well, he is just taking rest. Ask him to be energetic and let him not get worried too much. Let him always be smart. And are you sibling? Both of you took birth in the same day.
Yes, we are twins.
How much time difference is there?
1 minute.
Only 1 minute.
Yes.
Okay. And you like Priyansh?
Yes, I like him. He's
Love
so
him?
cute.
He's a good boy, but then he's very, very naughty. And
When he irritates me, I don't like him.
okay, you tell your sister that you will not irritate. Okay.
no,
No, you're not
you
irritated.
Like, your sister?
yeah.
Okay, now sit down. Why you jump like monkey? You should not jump. Okay. Now sit with your grandpapa. Interview is going on. Yeah.
Who is she?
She is Sonakshi, my daughter's last daughter.
Hi, Sonakshi.
Hi.
Okay. So, what do you want to become in your life?
I want to be a doctor.
Achha, you want to become a doctor?
Yeah.
What will you do with your studies? Why do you want to become doctor?
Because then I can take away the corona out of the human beings.
Okay, so they take away corona from human beings. So they serve people who are suffering with illness. Okay, so you want to help them out and improve their health. Thank you very much, Sonakshi. Now you have any question because I have got 3 appointments. Anybody wants to ask me any question?
Okay, so now let's start again now from the questions. So now we have Himanchi from some questions, sir. So hi.
Yes, Himanshi.
So I want to ask you that how was your studies when you were small?
It's a good question. Me, I have studied in Hindi medium school, that is Motilal Pomra Sanatan Dharma School, which was in Saukarpet, Chennai, and I was very good in studies in my life, right from first standard to my undergraduation, that is BSc Zoology. I always came school first, college first, and I did very well in my school, and I am basically SSLC gold medalist. I scored 93% marks
Out of
in, and I stood sixth ranked person in my SSLC exam, public exam.
I also heard that you are in your school. You are the best in the studies. Like you know everything. What you are concentrating when
Yes.
ma'am.
He was a good boy.
Yeah, I was a good boy. You can say that because I always used to go school on time, do my duties, studies very well, and my brothers, all my 7 brothers, they made me study well. They used to take care of mine. My sister also, Gunvanti, she was taking care of my studies when I was young. So, lot of concentration. And my mother was very strict. If we don't do our homework properly, she used to take care, and this is how we did well in school. All the brothers.
My Parnani, Mohina Bai.
And she's my dadi, like my dada's mother. And I have one more doubt, dada, that how was your journey from your life? What was your experience that you now what you feel like you are the you know everything, like you go to office and all.
Yes, yes.
So what is
See,
that?
when I was young, I wanted to become a singer. At the age of 4, I learned tabla.
Nana told
And
us.
I met
Yeah.
Pandit Ravi Shankar and Allah Rakha Khan. They were the great celebrity of my time. One is sitarist and tabla player. You know Zakir Hussain,
Yeah.
tablist.
Yeah.
His father,
Yes.
I met him at my young age. My elder brother Dalpat Bhai Sahab took me to him, and we
Yes.
met them. And they actually gave me offer that you can come and learn tabla at Banaras Gharana.
Oh.
But since my family was very big, I was denied to go there, and my mother was strict, so she didn't allow. So at the age of 12 years, I started learning tabla. I learned from Satyanarayan Bhaiyaji. The
Okay.
Omkar Nath Guru was his guru, and I learned Hindustan classical tabla
So-
playing. After that, I learned keyboard, harmonium, and guitar. My guru was Arul Das. He was a very good player of banjo, and this is how I learned music also. And now,
Thank you for telling.
Okay, so now Sonu has some questions. Please,
yes,
Sonu.
please ask.
Can you tell your mother's full story?
My mother's full story.
Yes.
My mother was a very philanthropic lady. She survived her life up to 94. Only this month, in April month, on 5th, she left this world. And she was very courageous, very honest, and very bold lady, doing lot of philanthropic social activities. She was warden in around 2 hospitals, that is Gujarati Sahikari Hospital and Marwadi Hospital. She used to help all the patients coming for treatment in Gujarati Sahikari School, hospital. She was also taking care of Sri Suknibai Higher Secondary Girls School. Then she used to distribute, dresses and school dresses to the orphanage schools. And she has done lot of social activities right from her younger age. And she was very brilliant lady, though illiterate, but she was having lot of experiences and sanskar from her family to take care of her social life.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's so nice.
I have 3 questions for you. One is over. Now, how many instruments you have?
I have got lot of musical instruments like keyboard, I have got tabla, I have got harmonium, I have got
Harmonium
guitar,
also.
I have got violin, I have got
Violin is
mandolin, and I got various types of instruments with me. And I am fond of musical instruments. Yes. Any question?
Now, I have only one. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mohini Bai
Bai.
as Devraj Jain. She is very popular in Chennai city, and she got the Rajasthan Sri Award, Godwal Award, Godwal Sri, Rajasthan Sri, and she was about to get Padma Shri too for, but before getting it, she left this world.
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much, Sonaki.
It's
That was so sad story about your mom.
Yes.
And an entertainment story. Yes, Himanshi.
Yeah, one more doubt for you. That you like to play a lot, tabla and all. The most instrument what you like to play? Like,
Most
I like to
favorite.
play- Most favorite instrument is harmonium.
I know
Harmonium,
that because
yeah.
my father told. But I want to tell you that.
You want to ask?
Okay, so guys, we will take a break. So
Priyaz
let's
wants
break.
to have one question.
Okay, so let's ask Priyaz.
Okay,
and-
Priyaz, ask.
Yes.
Ask your Dada what question you have.
I'm Kotanet.
Tell me, what is that?
What is your father's name?
My father's name is S. Devraj Jain.
And your mother's name?
Mohini Bai.
And your
Okay.
Daddy?
You have
Okay.
forgotten the question. Thank you very much. You remember and then let me know your question.
Okay, guys, we'll take a break.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so guys, now I'm going to go to the inside and I'm going to take the interview of my mom and my mommy. And my mama is not there because she has been to the factory to do some work. And my nanny has COVID-19. She's at the hospital, and please pray for my nanny. She gets well soon and she comes, and we have again fun with her how we had last time. So now let's go to my mummy and mommy. Let's go. Okay, so guys, my mommy and my mom are busy. So we have to
So-
end the video
so
today
sorry.
here only. So sorry.
So sorry. Next time we will meet our next time. Okay. So please subscribe the
Hey,
video.
wait. This is Nana's channel, not your channel, okay? So let Nana end the video.
Can I tell?
Wish you all a very pleasant stay at Chennai at my house. We are all my guests and you are also family members. Enjoy your summer here with me.
Please
Okay,
like
bye
the
bye.
video.
Please subscribe my video. GD Jain Presents to see all my
And
programs.
smash that hit like button and do comment down. Please do
Yes.
comment down and how did you like this video and
Video
smash
and
that hit like
subscribe.
button. And the target is 121.
150,000.
Bye!
And stay nice at your, stay healthy at your home, and